Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch 2 frame drops problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, just click here and then go to graphics settings. Now turn on this option, go back, go to background apps, make sure to turn it off, then go back and go to view advanced system settings, adjust for best performance, apply and OK, then close it. Right click on your desktop, click NVIDIA control panel. After that you will need to wait a few seconds and then this window will pop up, and now once you're here, go to use my preference, move it to performance and click apply. Now close it. After that restart your PC, and after restarting your PC open GeForce Experience. Now go to drivers, check for updates, install the latest update for your graphics card, then go to settings, scroll down until you find image scaling, enable it, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.